Hello guys, today I'll be making puff puff, a very soft Nigerian puff puff. First into the bowl I added 2 cups of flour into the wooden bowl. And next goes in my ground cinnamon powder. Then I also added the ground nutmeg to just give it a different taste. And then to give it a kick, I added chili powder into the mix. Finally, I added the dry powdered milk. I use direct powdered milk because I love the texture it gives to it and it gives it a different taste compared to the watery one. In goes sugar to give it a sweet taste, but also I'm trying to make it savory, so I'm not putting too much sugar into the mixture. I added the dry yeast into the dry ingredients. I prefer to just mix everything all together, and then I'm putting salt into it to make it a bit savory to balance the sugar because I don't want it too sweet. Mix it all together, the dry ingredients, mix them all together, and then you add your warm water into the dry ingredient to bring it to a thick or liquid paste. Add the warm water, step by step so you don't overdo it. If you overdo that, it's gonna be too watery. So put it gently until you get the correct texture that you want. Once you're satisfied with the amount of water you've put into the paste, keep mixing it together, keep giving it a good mix. Make sure that all the dry ingredients are all dissolved into this paste that you have. So keep using your energy to mix everything to make it perfect and smooth. When you're satisfied with the texture, with how smooth you've mixed it all up, then next you take your cling or your foil paper and cover the bowl with it. Cover the bowl first with the cling, and then you can use a kitchen towel, put it over the bowl, cover it, and then you can put it in the oven or in your microwave or just in a warm place to rise for 45 minutes. Once your 45 minutes is over, you have a, a puff paste that has, you can see the bubbles in the paste to say that it's ready to be fried. Give it a thorough mix. Once you've mixed it, get your oil onto the fire and then you can begin to fry. Once the oil is hot, scoop your paste, puff puff paste, and put into the frying sauce or pan until it all fries. If your oil is too hot or if the fire is too hot, you can reduce it to medium so as not to have the middle of your puff puff raw. Once it's golden brown, you take it off and put it in a basket. I put kitchen towel over it so as to absorb the oil that's coming out from the pan. We'll keep frying until we've fried everything. Keep watching. If you enjoy what I've done, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Please continue to watch for more video from me like this. I love puff puff very well. I don't know about you guys if you love puff puff. I can make a whole puff puff like 20 in a row and I can finish it within 2 days or within a day. I keep eating it and forgetting that really actually I meant to like share with people what Nigerian snacks or what, not even just Nigerian snacks, what African snacks or whatever snacks, which snacks do you like the most and that you can eat at any given time without even thinking about it. You can finish it up. This is the aftermath. You can see how round it is and you can see it's done inside and I love the way it looks inside. It's soft, smooth and tastes delicious. If you enjoy it, you can try it and let me know how it went for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget